Ikea keeps releasing a bunch of new products every single month. So today I'm showing you some of the best new Ikea finds for spring 2024. I'm Man, this is Mars, and we've packed some amazing new Ikea products you just have to see. However, this will be a two-part series, so before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for part 2. Now let's go! We're starting right off with the first new Ikea product, and that is this set of 2 boxes. These sturdy round storage boxes are made of recycled paperboard. However, they are covered with a thin layer of rice paper that gives them a soft, natural expression, making them so decorative to be placed out in the open in the bedroom, living room, or hallway. Another new product from that same collection is this box with compartments. This one is perfect for storing your jewelry and other accessories. What I love most about it is that the compartment sizes can be adjusted to suit everything from watches and jewelry to desk accessories. A new table lamp at Ikea this spring is this cute table lamp with pleated lampshade. This lamp is made out of powder-coated steel and pleated recycled plastic that spreads the softest light in the room. This one comes at only $19, and it's a great way to add those moody vibes in your home at a low budget. This same model also comes as a pendant, which is such a great option. It gives a pleasant atmosphere for dining, spreading direct light across your dining or bar table. Another interesting new pendant lamp this spring is this one. Although these kind of lamps have not been my favorite over the years, mainly because they are made out of plastic, I just have to admit I kinda like this one. You can change the shape of the lampshade simply by pulling the strings and switch between stronger general lighting and softer mood lighting. And when we're talking about lights, I just have to mention the new shortcut button / remote control, which will help you transform your space with a simple push. This shortcut button will help you make your home smarter. It can actually instantly turn on lights, raise blinds, or play a playlist just by pushing a button. You can learn more about how you can incorporate this button into your home by clicking the link into a description box. I linked it together with all of the other products mentioned in this video. Ikea released so many new rugs this year that I honestly don't know where to start. But my favorite one so far has to be this stripy 3D rug. I've honestly never seen anything like this before, and I really like it. The mix of a high and low pile creates a 3D effect that looks different depending on the side you're looking at. Plus, this rug is hand-woven from wool, making each rug one of a kind. Another one that's a more budget-friendly option is this one that's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This one is ideal for the living room or under the dining table, since the flat woven surface makes it so easy to clean. This one also comes in a circle option for $79.99. A dining chair that's new at Ikea this year is this beautiful chair made from acacia wood. This solid acacia chair with arched backrest has such a classic look that ages beautifully. This is such a timeless and quality chair, and I'm so happy that Ikea keeps releasing products made from acacia, since it's a highly durable wood, resistant to scratches and water, and ideal for heavy use. Plus, it looks amazing. A product I was so excited to see at Ikea this spring is this lid for the DRÖNA box. I just have too many DRÖNA boxes in my home, and I was so happy to see a lid made especially for this box to help protect the contents from dirt and dust. The great thing about this lid is that this one is foldable, same as the DRÖNA box, and it can be placed on a box that's freestanding, but it also fits in the Kallax shelving unit, which is absolutely amazing. Another new product made especially for boxes is this utility cart for boxes. With this trolley, you can easily create a storage solution that is simple to move around when you need the space for other things. It's perfect to place by a wall, in the middle of the room, or even under a desk. An ottoman Ikea just released is this hexagon ottoman with storage. This budget and comfy poof is perfect if you want some extra seating for guests while having a smart storage to always help you stay organized. This one is only $12.99 and it comes in two colors, blue and gray. Ikea is indeed the queen of organizing, and this next product is the proof of that. Just check out these practical storage boxes for the fridge. These transparent boxes will help you maximize your storage in the fridge. They are stackable and come in a few different sizes, which makes them perfect for organizing your fridge. You can also easily keep track of the storage date by fixing a note under the box's built-in handle. Absolutely genius. A new dish drainer this spring is this off-white drainer made especially for smaller spaces. This one has such a smart design that allows you to fit plates, glasses, mugs, and cutlery while the runoff water collects at the bottom. Another new gadget for the kitchen is this paper towel holder. This one is perfect since it can be easily clamped to shelves or tabletops thanks to its smart design. You can even mount it on the wall to keep it close at hand wherever you need it. And we're finishing off with two new cushion covers I absolutely love. This first one is this beige and classic check pattern cushion cover for $5.99. This one also comes in blue, but the beige one is my favorite for sure. And the next one is this lovely checkered cushion cover in green tones. I can't believe I missed this one on my last trip to Ikea since I really want it so bad. I'm getting it next time for sure. And that wraps it up for today. Did you like these new IKEA products? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel since part 2 is coming up next week. There are honestly so many new IKEA products that they just couldn't fit in this one video, so make sure to get notified when I post part 2. And once again, thank you so much for stopping by and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Of course, he's been sleeping throughout the whole video. Let's get a close-up. Oh, hi there, buddy. Are you sleepy? Will you wake up just to say hi? Please? Bye-bye.